Okay, so I'm just going to look at placing in this window here into position. So on my drawing, it's this window here. It's labelled W4, and I can see it's up to this sort of line here that sits below our 2.7 high ceilings. So just looking at this, it's there, W4, and it's given me a dimension here, 960 off the ground level, entry level. So that's what we're going to look at placing now. So if I just go into here and draw a rectangle and pull that up, whoops, just going to go Control Z on that because I want to put it in over in this one here. Push pull 960. Okay, now this is the window I want to put in, but I think it's around the wrong way right now. So let's maybe see if we can use our rotate tool. 1 click, 2 clicks, and snap it there, so 180 degrees. M for move, grab the corner, and we'll snap it in here. Alright, and we can see now what I haven't grouped there is that wall. Everything else is in a group. And we also have a little bit of material we need to put in here. So what I'll do is triple click on that, make group, and then I'm going to put a rectangle in here, push pull to that line, and make group. Okay, so now I've got that done. I'm going to select both of those elements and then go up to the top here and apply the tag to walls. So then when I do my walls, it's part of that tag. Alright, so the next element we're going to look at is the door that we did over here. Now the good thing about this is it's been used 1, 2, 3, 4 times throughout the build. Alright, with maybe a slight tweak on the mirrored glass. So you can see if we zoom in that the bottom 40mm of that frame sits below or is recessed into the slab. Alright, so making it nice and smooth, not a tripping hazard when you walk through. So we just need to keep that in mind, setting that 40mm down. So SD sliding door 1, 2, 5 and 6. So let's locate them on our drawing. You can see them here. SD1 is over here, for example. So maybe we'll have a look at that one there, SD1 on the driveway side of the house. Alright, so let's have a look over here. And we'll grab that. Okay, and alright, so let's just have a quick look at our drawing again. Particularly the elevation is what I want to see from that side. There it is there. Okay. Alright, so you can see our slab and then that's recessed in. Alright, so if we go back here and we'll look at our drawing once more just to check. Okay. Alright, and then it should end up being exactly, if it's 40mm down, it should end up being 2.4 height from the slab. Alright, so maybe what I might do is chuck a guideline in here, T, bring one up, and I want it up 2.4 or 2400, and there it is there. So now I'm just going to use my move tool, grab that corner, over here to my guideline. Now if I snap it to that, see the bottom of my, let's try and make this so you can see it better. The bottom of the door is recessed in nicely, so it's taken that step away. Alright, and then I just have a little bit of material up the top to fill in. So what I might do is go to my rectangle tool, push pull down, triple click on this, make group, and then add that to the tag of walls, and then if I hide my walls, it's part of it. Okay, these lines are not much of an issue. In Enscape rendering software we use, it doesn't pick up those lines, so it'll look like a smooth transition of wall there. Alright, so that's how you can go ahead and put your windows and doors in.